So this company reached out to me and they sent this cable that's supposed to trick the old Commander into using, I guess, more throttle body injection rate or something. I don't know what it really does. Here is who sent me stuff. Kemimoto low range harness, switchless plug gear, transmission edition compatible. Jeez, that is a wild description. I know this is kind of ghetto how I'm just pointing at this, but it's supposed to unlock hidden power. It makes your beloved UTV to a better level. Can only be opened to 42%. Now increase throttle response up to 100%. So there's two things that, here's what I think is going to happen if I had to guess with this. It's just going to basically make the throttle input seem like a light switch in low. On my R-Max, there's a D mode switch and you can set it for sport and it's like a light switch. As soon as you start touching the gas, the thing wants to just rip because it's changing the relationship of the throttle position sensor with the pedal, and then it directs that to the throttle bodies. So I'm thinking maybe that's what this does. It gives you a sportier feel in low range. We'll see. I have the cable right here. They shipped it out pretty fast to me, and this is inexpensive. I think it's 12 bucks or something. The quality's nice. It's got a good rubber like gasket in here, like an automotive style gasket in there, and the plastic doesn't feel, you know, cheap or anything. The shrink tube feels nice. So yeah, so this is $11.95, so that's pretty cool. That's not bad at all. So, you know, my cousin Bobby over there has a appropriate model, and I figured we'll review it and let them know if it's good or not, and let you guys know if it's worth, you know, if it makes a difference or if you don't see anything. So probably wasn't the best decision to play Hillbilly Bonanza Fest in the snow. So we're gonna let things thaw out, pop the seat, and yeah. Nice job, kid. You push it in, hear it snap, and then you push that end in, and that's basically it. So it couldn't be any easier to install it, I guess. Doesn't look like it's going to be in the way of anything. How you doing, kid? Nice, kid. This is not super scientific here, but we'll see how he leaves here.
I'm all lined up with the beer. Just to give a start.
Yeah, the back end of it is, yep.
Ready?
Yep. All right, Bobby, you gonna fuel up with some pretzels there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's good. Can you tell?
It did seem
You're
more throttle response. I don't know about like overall power.
Yeah, but the initial like dig, the initial hole shot seemed to be better than before.
Yeah, I agree.
All right.
Well, we can take the plug back off right now. Take 2 seconds.
Well, you'll be able to tell. You'll know right away. But back up to your truck again, and that was to the wood, right?
Yeah.
There's a definite difference.
It definitely. In overall power, no. Throttle response?
Yeah.
I would say yes.
Yeah, definite difference in throttle response. It doesn't get any better than that. So no difference in power, but throttle response. And sometimes that's what you need. You know, when you're trying to get out of a slop hole or something like that, it definitely seemed to rip a little bit better. All right, Babby. So you did notice a difference.
I would say yes.
And do you think it's worth 12 bucks or whatever?
Yeah, it's $12.
Yeah, I mean, that's cheap. And it took you what, like 10 minutes to pop the plastic off?
Yeah.
And
half hour maximum installation. Well, you probably another 20 minutes to put it back together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd say it's worth it.
that's good enough for me, and it should be good enough for you guys out there. For the admission price of yeah, $12, you know, free shipping, definitely check this product out. I would say it's worth it for the throttle response alone. So we're gonna button this thing back up and call it a job. Yeah, thanks for following along, and appreciate you guys watching. See you later.